Hey guys, so my name is Kaylin Gaines. This is me, and I am a mom, currently a student like the rest of you, and I am a fourth year teacher. This is my little boy, and this is my Bitmoji classroom because that is where we are in 2020, although I am teaching from school right now. Um, I made a little collage to kind of just briefly go over who I am. I work at Rocky Point Elementary School. I just moved to Wilmington, but I work in Pender County, and Rocky Point is the best elementary school I have ever worked at. It is amazing. I am originally from Scotland County, and like I said, I just moved here in December. In my spare time, when I am not teaching or mommying or being a student, I do enjoy reading whenever I have the opportunity to do so. And at the very bottom, I just put where I went to college originally. I went to Appalachian State. Only went there for a year because it was way too cold for me. I'm not a fan of the cold weather. I'm not sure why I chose to go there freshman year. Then I transferred to ECU, which is where I got my undergrad. And then um, this past May, I graduated from UNCP with my master's. And now I'm here with the rest of you at UNCW, chasing my doctoral degree because one day I would like to write curriculum and possibly even teach at the college. And although that was a very brief overview of who I am as a person or who I am in general, those are all of my key elements. All right, can't wait to meet you guys. Bye bye.